What's going on, everybody? So I am cutting up peaches to dehydrate peaches. Make thin slices. If you go a little too thick, that's alright. If they're thinner, they'll get drier quicker and be more crispier. Thicker will be a little more not as crunchy. Then you just lay them out on your tray. If you guys are interested in this dehydrator, I will put a link in this video description where you guys can buy this. It is an awesome dehydrator. Also, another shout out to Homestead Tessie, my mother, who gave my wife and I this dehydrator for free. So thank you very much. We love it. Today I'm actually just doing peaches and working on bananas. This is actually the first time doing peaches, but great thing about dehydrating is basically the same method. Now I know there's some purists out there that, have to do everything a little bit differently, but I just put them with the bananas and set it for the same temperature as bananas, 4 to 10 hours, give or take. So just basically every 3 to 4 hours, rotate your trays. That way they get dried even Steven. And they don't have to be perfectly cut. Unless you run a YouTube baking channel, then you should try and make sure it's perfectly cut, because people are very strong critics if you don't do everything perfectly. I'll move the camera angle a little bit so you guys can see better. Just hold on. Some get a little thick, so then I might cut them again. So if they get too thick, I just go and cut them again. Again, the thinner they are, the quicker they'll dry. The quicker they dry, the crunchier they'll be. So cutting them and slicing them thin is recommended if you like them really crunchy. If you like them kind of half crunchy but soft, cut them thicker. So we're filling this tray up pretty good here. So you're going to put your temperature, let me see, it's between 125 and 135. To get done a little quicker, I'm going to put it at 135. Still, every 3 to 4 hours, rotate your trays and just check them. And you basically can eat them whenever you feel they're done. Again, for the knife, for the cutting board and everything, I like to put everything I use in the video description, so if you guys see something that I don't have in the video description that I used in the video, please let me know and I will get it added so you guys can see what it looks like and what kind of knife or cutting board I use and so forth. And I think we're getting about done for this one tray. But we're not done. We got a ton of peaches left. Bananas are a lot quicker to cut, but you do want to get them thin though, so you do got to take your time at it a little bit. Once you get used to it, you can go pretty quick. Just be careful, guys. Just take your time though. I mean, you don't want to cut your finger. If you guys notice my finger, that I actually cut that opening the peach jar. That was on there so tight, so when I pried it up, the metal caught my finger. Just took a little bit of skin, that's it. Nothing major. Alright. So here we go. Just line up the trays, stick them on top, plug it in, and there we go. Now we wait. Like I said, every 3 or 4 hours, rotate the trays until they are done to your liking. I have it set at 135 just to heat things up a bit. Between 125 and 135 is a good number. Take care, guys. Have a blessed day. So, they're getting there. It's now 2:30. As you can see, they're still, not hard yet. Peaches are going to take a lot longer, but that's to be expected, so we're going to move the peaches up to the top. And they're done. So good, guys.